All right, it's time now for our DIY security tip of the week. And every week we put one of these together for you. And it's really important stuff. This week we're going to talk about how you can tell if someone is bugging or tracking you. And it actually has a separate term. It's called Stalkerware. And Stalkerware is very covert. I mean, it can come in the form of, say, an electronic greeting card. And you look at it and you're like, oh, so nice. They're saying that they're thinking of me, poor me. And then you click the link, and then before you know it, you have Stalkerware right on your system. And sometimes these technologies, they are sold as child protection type of safety things, which, is actually pretty important. So let's get started. Number one, how to know if you're actually being watched. I mean, if we look at Airbnb news reports, it seems like every once in a while we have more hidden cameras. So what you want to do is use a laser pointer to scan typical hiding places, like smoke detectors and sprinklers, picture frames and vents. You want to look for a lens reflection, which will shine when the laser hits the camera. And if you see a reflection, it's time to get a closer look. We're going to tell you more about how to do that. You also want to cover your camera and your microphone on your personal device with a piece of tape or a sticker. Now, what about your microphone? There are some MacGyver tricks of the trade. So like, for example, you can take an old cheap headset and then you plug that into the audio jack and then you cut off the cord so that this way there can not be possibly any recording going on. Now, how do you know that somebody hasn't put a tracker on your phone? I mean, if you think about it, your phone has everything about you, right? Your location, your email, your text message, your photos, your videos, crazy stuff. Well, there are GPS bug sweepers from Amazon, but there's one in particular that we like here at the Komando.com show studios, which is called the Anti-Spy RF Detector. And what it does is find GPS trackers, hidden cameras, and microphones so that if in case you're being followed around. Now, getting back to your phone, how do you know if something's on that? You want to look for the telltale signs. Like, for example, data usage. You see a whole spike. You haven't changed, but something's going on. You're getting like these out of data message alerts. Maybe you pick up your phone, and even though you haven't used it, it's really hot to the touch. And that could be a sign of stalkerware. Also, pop-ups. Some of these apps contain adware. So if you start getting pop-up ads, then on your phone, that could also be a sign. So what do? Well, you have to reset your phone and remove everything on it back to factory defaults. And for more information about all of this, as well as the links that you need, look no further than the Komando.com homepage. And when you're there, hit that Show Pics button for the link right there. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.